Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number four. Tutorial. I don't even know if that's how you say it in Dutch. Tutorial number. Is it even number? Numero, Spanish. Number fear. That is Dutch at least. So the past four videos, no wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tutorial number 5. I'm still waking up. Wow. Okay. So the first 4 tutorials, I went ahead and did it by line. So today, like I said in the last tutorial, I kind of want to focus on these two for the next video. So today I'm actually going to go into nuts and dates because I want to create more of a smoky look. And I feel with this one, Fez Up is going to be a very beautiful transition shade, maybe. But without further ado, let me go get my eyes prepped. And today is February 27th. No, today's Wednesday. Today's the 28th, because tomorrow's the 29th. Because Friday I'm going to London for the first time, and I looked online. There's a Sephora, and I do need to buy a new one of this one. Because this I got when we went to Germany in winter 2022, so that lasted me for that long, so a little over a year now. This has been going strong for me. But I went to Spain, Barcelona, went to the flagship store Sephora there, went to the Fenty gondola. They did not have the primer there for some reason, because it's one of my favorites next to Urban Decay's primer potion. So if London had, I mean, you guys are going to be seeing this in May, maybe June, this video. So we will see what happens. Let me go get my eyes prepped. Alright, so the eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Now, first and foremost, what did I do with the palette? Here we go. I think I am actually going to go in with Casablanca. Let's do some Casablanca first as the brow highlight, just to already have that down. And this I kind of want to combine with the Pat McGrath. I think the one from Pat McGrath is definitely going to have more of a punch and color. That from Bronze Seduction, the Astral shade. Perfect. Just bringing it there. Do I want to add there? It's not like a lot, but it's enough to have a little subtle something. This definitely has more of a warmer brown base. Perfect. That's down. Now next, I actually want to go into Fez Up. Going in with the blush brush. This is going to be that purple. Oof. She definitely does have some pigmentation, color build. Sorry, got my allergies kicking in also. You know what I mean. Oh, oh, Tigger. Anyways, just gonna go ahead and blow that out because nuts and dates is gonna go right on to the lid, which is gonna be our smoky moment. Perfect. Let me go in with. I need a fluffier. So Fez Up is definitely going to be more of our transition into the crease shade to help smoke out the nuts and dates. So that is what we are going to do. And I do love how the aesthetics of Fenty Beauty and also Rihanna, if you look at her music, it's like washes and hints of color, but where you really want that emphasis, that build up, that dramaticness, it really does show, which I do love. So like I said, when this first came out, everybody complained, not everybody, but a lot of people were complaining that this wasn't like as fully pigmented. Was it as boom, bam, smash, or whammo? Because the way they introduced the line was they wanted complexion and skin to be the main focus, and this just an add-on. Now going on with nuts and dates with the finger. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. She's so sweet. Oh. This is gorgeous. And there's nothing wrong to always use the finger. Oh, brings out the chocolate brown in the eyes. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is amazing. London, London, London. Sorry, ever since we planned our trip to London, now that it's closer, Fergie's London Bridge has been repeat non-stop in my head. Perfect. And you can actually just go ahead and use your fingers to go ahead and start blending out the edges. Smoky smoke, smoker stand. Oh. That is, oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Perfect. This is definitely, yep. Yup. Yup. Let me go in with actually that brush that we were just using before and blend and marry the nuts and dates with Fez Up. Because this for show is doing something. Perfect. Let me go and do the lashes and go and put on the waterline, and we will see where this is at before we put on the face. So this is where we are at. I went ahead and used the liner, Permagel liner Extreme Black from Pat McGrath to go ahead and line my waterline. Got the mascara on, and I'm gonna go and do the rest of my face, and we are going to see the official final look in a few moments. I'm actually going to go to the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Clair Blurring Primer for the primer today. Still by far one of my favorite primers. Definitely has more of that silicone type of feel, but we need everything to be flawless, and I just love the smell of it. Don't know why, but I just love the smell of bougie, high-end things I could never afford in real full size. No, I'm joking. I actually did have this primer before, and I actually do want to go back to it again, because this really does give a blurring effect. I feel like these type of primers would be great for special events more, or if you have like Friday nights with the girls or something like that, because this really gives more of that blurring effect underneath the foundation, obviously. But I'm going to do the rest of my face, and you guys will see the final look in a few moments. All right, so this is the final look. Let us see. Yeah, let's leave it at that. But this is the final look of the tutorial. So we did Casablanca, Fez Up, and Nuts and Dates. So I actually do like this look. It's very Rihanna-esque, most definitely, and I feel like she did some type of smoky look like this on a red carpet or somewhere. But I do love it. So I went ahead and did a little bit more Fez Up on the bottom. No, not Fez Up. Where the frick is my frickin' frick? Nuts and dates on the bottom, smoked it out. Pat McGrath Permagel and Extreme Black is what I have. For the waterline, brows is still Becca, still going strong with that. Bronzer is Coco Naughty by Fenty Beauty, obviously. Highlighter, I went into Mean Money. No. Hustler Baby is the one I use for highlighter. And for blush, I went in with the Shimmer Sticks, Color Sticks, Match Sticks. The Match Sticks, Shimmer Sticks, and Pink Lemonade. I do like that color a lot. For concealer, under the concealer, for basically my color corrector, I went in with Honey. No, I went in with Wheat because Honey was way too warm. The last video I noticed, and it really made like this whole area red where I tried to color correct like really orange, which was a huge no-no. But I went with that color. And setting spray, Charlotte Tilbury's. Oh, lips. I went in with Spanked from Mademoiselle. Spanked is the one I did. And I went ahead and used the Pat McGrath Opulous Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar, just to top it off. Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray to set the makeup. Yeah, I need to buy another one. Party all night, stay all day. Love, love, love. Use the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder and Banana in a few areas just to, you know, make sure everything stays set while I do these. I'll take photos. Anyways, tutorial number 5. This I really do love. I'm really digging this palette even more. I think after I get done doing tutorials with this, I'm probably just going to give this away because I think I kept it so long to do something like this, and now that I'm doing it, I'm kind of like, am I really going to keep it even longer just to redo it again? No, because I have the Sephora Pro palettes, 6 of those, that actually have some of these colors in there, to be quite honest. But I'm glad I'm getting this out of the way, and I need to let go of some things once I get done with them, which means I need to get rid of the Galaxy palette. Galaxy palette I'm keeping because it is like shimmer, like Space Cowboy shimmer, Astral Shade shimmer. Not the same formula, obviously, but you get the glittery effects and stuff like that. Keeping it for New Year's. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. And as usual, if you want to see all of the final edits, go to my Instagram page. I might be doing a collage of like all my favorite pose and looks and edits that I've done so far from all of the, what do I have in my phone? I have Pat McGrath Subversive, Bejeweled. I don't know. We'll see, because I took a lot of pictures and I'm like, what am I going to do with it? But I will see you guys next video.